What is left, you can eat it also. Welcome to Kaleidoscope. Today we are opening this Chef's Basket Dessert Chocolate Trifle. I am very excited to make this. Are you? Let's open it. Oh, wow. So big. Guys, this is the packet. Let me open it and see it once it's inside this. My papa will help me. My papa has opened it. Let me take out the stuff. This is the bowl, small bowl. This is a mixture. This is a mixture also. This is a mixture also. These are the truffles. And here is the box. The first step is take the chocolate mixer. You will need a deep bowl. I have a deep bowl. Let me take it out. This is the bowl. You need also ice cold water in this or milk and a spoon to mix it. 2 things to whip this. Let me open and put it. Now I will put all the chocolate inside this. Guys, I think I have to put some milk. Put the milk in this at full. Now this is full. Let me put the milk. Now I have to mix it. Let me mix it with a spoon. You have to whip it like this. Make the truffle cream. Guys, I think this is done. Now let's make the sponge layer. For this, you need a bowl. Here is bowl. You will need 200 ml water. Let's take the milk, cocoa mix. This is the one. It's written here. My papa will open it. Let me put all of this. Now we have to add 200 ml water. This is a 50 ml bowl. We have to add 4 times. This is one full bowl. 1 bowl. 2 bowl. 3 bowl. And then 4 bowl. Now 4 is done. I think we have to mix it. Here is the spoon. Let me mix it. Guys, mix it well. Let's take the sponge. Here are the sponge fingers. Let me take one. First one is done. Put in 1, 2. Dip it and place it like this. 3. Make sure you have washed your hands. 4, 5. Now 6 is done. I have to put the chocolate sauce. Let me take out the chocolate from this. You can also use your fingers. Guys, time to do the next layer. 1, 2. I love this. When it is ready, I will eat this and try this. Now I have to do the chocolate layer. Guys, now the final step is, this is the chocolate sauce. Now I will design it. Let me put it. You have to keep this in fridge for at least 2 hours. But don't keep it in the freezer. I will keep this in a fridge and show you after 2 hours. Guys, this is done. Enjoy. Hope you liked the video. We will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. If you like us,
Then subscribe us.